What is good, everybody? The day has finally come for us to put in the Volvo electric power steering pump. We needed some things for this. First, we needed the pigtails and wires for it. We needed a 60 amp fuse, terminals, little toggle switch. We needed 3 of these guys. This was the M16 to 6NA. We needed 2 16s and then 1 14. We needed the 6N lines and to cut those. So we got all our stuff. The last thing left is to weld the bracket, which we're gonna do right there. So we're just gonna weld a little bar that comes up to these 2 screws. Now, me thinking that pump is a little bit heavy, there is another bolt hole right over here that when we go to my boy's shop, I think I'm gonna have him weld up 2 little brackets that come up.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Alright, test to see if the new bracket works. Be mounted by here, so. Ah.
Wow, that's sharp.
Seemed like it worked, bolt came out, but
Lock tight.
yeah. Alright. That's it. Thanks, buddy.
No worries.
What is good, people? It just turned 8 o'clock. It is February 14th, and we are picking the winner. So I have number generator on here. We have 20 entrances to the giveaway. So we're gonna hit that generate, and we landed on number 13. So let's go to our entrances. It landed on that one white S13. Congratulations. These are the 2 pieces that Parker welded on to our existing bracket. We could see there's a little gap there. It wasn't 100% angled the way we wanted it to, but I don't even know how it could have been without having the car there. So I think it's awesome job. I put the pump in to make sure that the hood closed. It does, and it seems pretty stable there. So we're gonna run it and see how it goes. Before dropping the pump back in, I want to install the 2 hoses down there so it'll be easier to get to without the pump all right here. All right, so we have our rack, our 2 lines running out of our rack. They come around, loop down there, and then they lead us to right here. Our high pressure on the bottom, low pressure on top. So we have our red and black, our constant and our ground, and then the closest wire to the corner is the one that we're gonna do for that trigger. Inside the car, from the pump running to our switch, which the power's coming to our fuse box. So we turn on our fuse box, we turn on our pump,
Oh yeah.
and that pump is now working. Alright, yeah, put them straight. This is sick. We've never had power steering before, and we finally have it. I was gonna send it before getting power steering, but I read a lot of stuff that said I should get it before sending it. So we now have power steering. I may need to upgrade the alternator, to a higher output. When you had it at full lock, you heard it. Yep. So
it drops down a little bit, so alternator would help.
So we're gonna upgrade the alternator next. Higher output. But for now,
it's working.
It's working. It's alive. I'm so excited it's working. We do need to give it the proper shakedown though, so that will be coming up. To the matter at hand, our $50 giveaway. I did promise in the last video. I'm a man who lives up to my promises. So we will be doing another $50 giveaway. However, if we reach triple digits, I will give away $100. So tell all your people to subscribe and join. You guys can decide in the comments whether that 100 goes to one person or whether I split the 100 and give 50 to 2 people. To enter, all you need to do is DM me on Instagram at Drip and Drift a screenshot that you are subscribed to this YouTube channel and tag 3 people in the comments of this Instagram post. And you're entered. February 21st at 8 p.m. the winner will be chosen. Alright, D&D fam, I'll see you guys next time.